Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella Jane. So today we are doing a glitter liner look. So do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Give me a big thumbs up, it does help, and share your thoughts on the comment section. With now, let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by lining my brows with Davis number 3 eye pencil. Then I start filling it in from the inner corner. If I get to the outer corner, I draw a hairline trans. So since I was too lazy to look for my spoolie, I use this to brush out my outer brow. So to line my lower brow, I'm going in the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And guys, you should use as little product as possible. And you should take care with the brows. Brows is not easy. Even though it seems it is not actually that easy, but when you perfect your face, it goes on smoothly. So for my foundation, I'm using my foundation to line my upper brow, which is the Zickel, I don't know the shade name, Zickel matte foundation. I'll put the shade name in the description box below. So after lining, I blend it in with my middle finger so that when I'm applying the foundation later, it won't be that difficult to blend in. So for my eyeshadow base, I went in with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm using my hand to dab it in. I've been liking the finish of this, that's why I continue doing this. So for my first eyeshadow, I'm going in with this I'm going with it Ijele by Beauty, and I'm concentrating it in the outer corner of my eyes, and I drag it towards my inner corner, but I don't apply fresh products. I just use the remainder to drag it towards my inner corner. So I went in with this pink shade, still from that Beauty eyeshadow palette. And guys, when you're blending, use a circular motion with as little force as possible so that it will not look harsh. So to cut my crease, I went back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but this time in the shade Almond. And guys, when you're cutting your crease, if you can't, you should just draw it in patches. Don't go to do it all at once. Draw it in patches. If you get the look, then you now fill it in. So for the base, for the liner, for the glitter, I went in with this gold shade from Zickel eyeshadow palette, the Splash collection, Rainbow Splash collection, I think. Yes. So for what to hold my glitter, I'm going in with this classic eyelash glue. Yeah, I'm using eyelash glue. Shameless. So I apply it toward all the areas I want the glitter to stick. And guys, please, when you are doing this, avoid looking upward, because if you look upward, your eyes might stick together, your eyelid might stick together, and it will make it messy. So you should continue looking down until you apply the glitter. And I'm using this brush to tap in the glitter onto those areas. So guys, I'm lining my brow now, and I just discovered that lining brows on top of glitter is not easy at all. So if there is a way you can apply it not close to your eyebrow, your eyelash, it's all good. So I'm applying mascara since there were so many fallouts. So onto the face now, I'm prepping my skin I'm moisturizing first. So I went back in to apply my lash. So I still use that same foundation, the one I showed you before, the Ezekiel foundation. And guys, this foundation is beautiful. So I'm using this stipple, I'm using a brush to apply. Like just 2 pump was okay. And you apply using a dabbing motion, you don't drag. For you to get coverage, you shouldn't drag. And you don't forget to apply your neck too. So for my highlights, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the one I used before, to highlight beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead. So I'm now blending it out with a beauty sponge. Using a dabbing, I'm dabbing it in, I'm not dragging it all over the place. So I went back in with that foundation brush and I used it to blend in all the areas that were looking like there was a demarcation. So I'm now setting my face with the black opal powder. And you guys know I don't bake, I just set it immediately. I dab my beauty sponge into the powder and I press it onto my face. So for my contour and all that good stuff, I'm going in with this Avo Professional Powder Palette. I'm applying a contour on your chin. You start from the highest point of your ear. You apply using a circular motion. I'm not using a straight line since I don't want it to be too harsh. And I apply on my forehead too since I don't want to look like I'm having a marks on. So I contour my hairline. So for my nose contour, I went back in with a smaller brush and I start immediately below my brows, then blend it in. So I went in with this white pencil to line my waterline since I wanted that striking look. So I applied the silver shade, the one I used before, on my bottom lash with that brown. So I needed more colors on my face, so I went in with a blush, a red blush. Then I added glow, that's the actual highlighting, using a circular motion with as little product as possible. So for my nose, I went in with a smaller brush, applying the tip of my nose, I blend, the bridge of my nose I blend, then my cubic bow. I like applying my highlights before I apply my lip product because it does not spoil the shape of the shape I want. I went in and lined my lips first. I went with this new number from Classic. Yes, it's from Classic. And I blend it in. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to share, like and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and support your girl by giving me by subscribing. Oh my goodness. So until the next video, princesses, bye.